Streamline Backshop Services presents a brief demonstration of the latest offering from Soundtraxx. This is the Soundtraxx Model 829-100 SoundCar digital sound decoder. The SoundCar is a new product that has been released to simulate the sound of a train. It's a pretty neat effect. This will be just a brief demonstration to show some of the sound options and lighting. I don't have an engine handy to make things move, but the demonstration will simulate the effect of it nonetheless. The sound decoders are installed in, two of them are in in-scale boxcars. The third one is installed in a in-scale trainman cupola caboose. The caboose has been modified with some additional lighting features. Here we've got, some power on the rail. There's our cabin light. Let's see. There's our cabin light on FX6. We've got a little stove light inside on 5. And we've got some marker lights. There's the red, and when you change directions they go to green. Red, green, red, green. I'm a little limited in how I can map that, so it has to be controlled by direction. For the purposes of this demonstration, I've turned the volume down on the horn on the two two box cars, so we can just get the Hancock air whistle sound effect off of the caboose. He's blowing out some signals there to, I don't remember what 5 blasts is, but anyway, that's the short horn. The long horn. The bell. I guess just for reference, we should probably get a meter out. And measure our 62 decibels. Out of an in-scale caboose. Not bad. Let's see. So that's the dimmer for the cupola. And that's the generator for, it's a generator sound if you were using a reefer, any other piece of rolling stock that would have an independent generator. That's the uncoupling. gland hand release. Brake application. And the coupler clank. And then oh, we've got the brakes on. Oh, maybe we should take the brakes off. That's kind of fun. I guess if you try and move with the brakes on, that sounds like the brakes are on. How fun. That's about speed step 12. And then this is the emergency stop. So they just dumped the airline. So that's a brief demonstration of the new Tsunami SoundCar. This product and many other great Soundtraxx products are available from Streamline Backshop on the web at www.SBS4DCC.com.